channel, One Believe with Tariq, with the new fresh episode. Most probably this is the last episode for the year 2020, and I would like to thank you for your time and best wishes for the year 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the reasons we never achieve success in our career is simply we don't want. And if we want, we don't know that what are the problems that we are unable to achieve. What do we want? We can do argument on the various reasons. However, I believe the mistakes we do, we don't know how to present your efforts. This is one of the area that most people in the organization or in the workplace, they suffer. Normally either they keep their mouth shut, like on the muted, not the virus muted, like they mute themselves, or they are simply don't know how to basically discuss and present their efforts and their talent. Why? Here is the reason. We don't know how to communicate. Communication is the key to an employees and an organization for success. If an organization, let's say, is providing you everything, then what is the reason that you are not successful? If your manager has asked you for a status report, you are not doing, but you are doing everything else. Well, this is not correct. The idea is to proactively communicate and let them know when a task is done and move on to what needs to be done next. People hesitate to speak because they cannot speak English, simply. Or they feel that actually I feel shy because I cannot speak English. On the other side, they don't want to learn the English or any other language. For an example, if you are working in a Spanish environment or in a French environment or whatever the language that you have to face, which is not basically your prime language. So this is one of the area because you don't know how to communicate in that language. So you keep sitting and waiting some miracle to happen for your career. How will you communicate? And if you can speak and present that you're supposed to do it. You have to communicate whatever you are doing in your organization, in your career, with the best way. For those who can speak very well their language and they are still unable to achieve their results, it means there's something wrong. Maybe they are not presenting or communicating with the right people, with the right time, on the right place. If you want to success in your career, you have to understand the communication techniques. Use internet, YouTube, read books, listen to successful people, try and understand how other successful people are communicating, improve your communication skill. Most people, they do very good job, but simply they cannot present their case. And sometimes other people come and they actually take their efforts and present it with their name. This must be one of your priority in the next coming year 2021. You may have noticed how COVID-19 this year people are aware about results, vaccination, lockdown, various report, everything related to COVID-19, because the concerned authorities have used every tool and every platform to communicate better. This is the simple example that today the entire world is ready to listen any news related to COVID-19. So why you cannot do the same with your job in your organization? Let everyone should be ready to listen and receive your efforts, your talent, and your good job and your accomplishment. Whatever you have delivered, whatever you have achieved. So please try and improvise yourself in your communication. You have to pay attention on this. Keep paying attention on your communication and keep watching my video. Thank you.